What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We're doing the serial number filler for the platinum break. We got all the names right here. We got all the numbers right here. We're going to go 3 times on each. I'm not doing timestamps. I'll do this one timestamp. 550. And it is 550. So 3 times. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, and 3. Clancy on top and Clancy on the bottom. See what you guys match up with. We got 1 through 0. 1, 2, and 3. 1 on top. So Clancy, you got all the 101s. And 8 on the bottom. So we got Clancy with 1, Gene with 3, Kirk with 4, Clancy with 5, Dave with 2, Grant, you got 6 and 7, Rob 9, Marty 0, and Clancy, you got 8. And we will go and do the last timestamp and 551. And it's 551.